Welcome to Cheat Codes, where it's all about working smarter, not harder. Today I'm going to show you a great little VS Code extension called Better Comments. If you haven't used Better Comments before, this extension is a great way to start color coding your comments by tags and give some visual sex appeal to your unruly documentation. It's going to allow you to do things like highlight your TODOs that you have riddled throughout your code base. It's going to allow you to give some red bold text and emphasize when you have a line of code that's going to shut down everything if it gets deleted. If you have used Better Comments before, I'm also going to show you how to customize it and add your own tags so that you can start creating your own categories and color-coded pieces of information that you want to tag throughout your code base. So with that, let's get started. All right, so first you're going to want to install the extension. So if you do Shift-Command-X on your keyboard and you type in Better Comments and spell it correctly, it will pop up first thing here. So this is by Aaron Bond. Whoever you are out there, thank you, Aaron Bond, for this. I already have this extension installed, but I am going to enable it in my workspace. So let's pop open just a text editor here and take a look at what that does. So notice here that we have our to-do comment in orange. Anything that you throw this capital to-do in front of, it's going to leave a comment that is in that bright orange text. In addition to these to-do comments, there's also a question comment that you can leave. There is a highlighting comment where you can highlight some important text, if I could type. And there's also this important declaration for text or code or something that you don't want deleted. So these are the ones that come out of the box. We're going to also check out how to customize these and start to add our own tags. And now we're at the fun part where we're going to start customizing some of these tags. So let's pull up our workspace settings, which you can get to by typing Shift-Command-P and then type, if you just start typing workspace settings, it'll pop up and we can see right here, I have a commented out section for Better Comments. So inside of our settings.json file, that's where we can start to customize the look and feel of some of these. So I'm going to go ahead and re-comment this back in, and let's change the look of our to-do block. So we're going to re-add that back in, and this time for no reason at all, we are going to have an underline on it and a strike through. And we will change it to bold and italic just so we can see all of the things all wrapped up into one here. So if I change that, I'll go back to my editor here and nothing is different, right? So you'll need to restart your extension, which you can do Shift-Command-P again and type restart. If you just start typing restart extension host should pop right up. If you restart the extension host, we can see our new styling for this in here. So this is also a way to add your additional tags that you might want to in here. So I have another example here for documentation, for example. So if we have a tag called documentation, or it starts with that, it's going to add these styles to that as well. So if I go back in here and I type documentation, nothing will pop up because I need to restart the extension host. But now we can see that I have this purple documentation block for whatever I might want to put in there. So that's just a couple quick ways to start using this. I love this tool. It's a great way to start adding a lot more context to your comments within your code base. So if you like it, please give it a shot and have a great day.